We're going to glue the safe together now. You need the safe and the safe front, and there's the safe itself. And I've also got some clothes pegs, just in case they're useful. You might also find Lego useful to hold places together and hold pieces together. But I'm going to start off by using Lego. Now that sounds really, really strange, but I will be using Lego to put this together. So I'm going to use Pritt Stick. It works brilliantly on the flaps. So I'm just going to put a line of glue on each of the flaps. These are the sides. I'm going to wait for the end to do the lid. Wait till this is all bound together. So I have cut it and I have folded it. I'm just pushing it into place like so. Just a little bit firmer there and there. And then I push these flaps in and do exactly the same thing. Pinch, pinch. And then the Lego I'm going to use just to push down the very ends. Push down the very ends. And if you want to, you can use the pegs just to hold those in place for a little bit. But if you've used Pritt Stick before, you'll know it's quite flexible for about 5 minutes, and as it dries perfectly. I'm going to stick this final piece on. And this is actually what would normally be the lid. This is actually the base of the model. I want to have slightly more, and one little tip is to give it a little bendy fold so that when you put it in, it actually pushes out. Whilst that's drying, I'm just going to give it with a black acrylic pen. You can use Sharpie for this, just edging the white lines where the paper actually is revealed. Gone over the edge, but it doesn't matter because I can actually scratch it up. It's quite a dark material anyway. Again, this is the base, so you can see the edge folds there. And there's our safe. The last thing we need to do is just to glue on the safe front, which I'm going to do using a little bit of glue, a little dab of glue, like that. And stick it on, like that. Leave it to dry.